Want to stop a cough in seconds? Here are the top 3 foods you must try. Number 1. Honey. Honey naturally soothes your throat, reduces irritation, and calms your cough. Just 1 spoonful can make a huge difference. Plus, it has antibacterial properties to fight infections. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps relax airway muscles and ease coughing. It's been used for centuries to treat respiratory issues. Number 3. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, a natural decongestant that breaks down mucus and soothes your throat for instant relief. Want the ultimate remedy? Brew ginger and peppermint tea, then stir in a spoonful of honey. Instant cough relief. Subscribe for more health tips.